I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Ford Mustang. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Begin by drawing a long, slightly flattened rectangle for the main body. This will be the foundation of your Mustang. Next, add 2 circles for the wheels, ensuring they are positioned beneath the body and slightly extend beyond its lower edge. Finally, sketch a smooth, subtle curve for the roofline, connecting the front and rear of your initial body shape. Now, let's refine the Mustang's iconic silhouette. Gently curve the edges of your rectangular body to give it a more aerodynamic and realistic appearance. Next, draw clear, defined wheel arches over your existing circles, giving the car its powerful stance. Don't forget to sketch the distinctive front grille, a key identifier, and the basic shapes for the headlights. These details really start bringing your drawing to life. Moving on, let's add the windows and some interior elements. Carefully outline the side windows and the front windshield, paying attention to their angles and proportions. Then, draw the distinct door lines and the small but important side mirrors. Finally, sketch the rear window and the characteristic taillight shapes. These elements help define the car's structure and give it a sense of depth. You're doing great. For our final touches, let's bring out the intricate details. Add the iconic Mustang emblem and events and subtle lines that define its powerful design. Use shading techniques to create depth and make your drawing pop, highlighting the curves and shadows. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial understanding, check the description for a link to the Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in smart money management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.